Hey everybody, so I'm outside, came outside to fertilize and then I'm gonna re-water later, and my water hose just busted, but luckily I have a backup. Look, I went over to the side of the house to go get one of my watering cans, and all of a sudden I heard shh, and the water busted and flowed over there. This is why I always say have backup tools. Now I gotta hook up my orange water hose and get back to doing what I was doing. Hello. Okay, so sorry. I'm still working on this cough, but I'm a lot better. So I was listening to um just a moment. Hey, I'm back. It's going on 7 p.m. this Sunday, June 5th, outside in my garden. So earlier today, you saw that my water hose broke. That is my backup water hose. It's pretty long, but it is not long enough to hit all my trees. So when I come home tomorrow night, or maybe I'll stop by in the morning. I may stop by the big box store in the morning and go pick myself up 100 to 100 foot water hose. My backyard is not that big. This water hose fits, but it's thinner and it doesn't, even with my long nozzle, it doesn't quite get to the back trees and berries and stuff. And so then I have to go get my watering can. I want to be able to spray that nozzle and do what I got to do. It take up too much time. Another thing, when I was out here, so I fertilized the garden earlier today. And then I decided to come back out here because sometimes if you fertilize, it can burn your plants. And I was out here during the high noon sun. So I wanted to come out here and water. So I watered. So I was listening to TNOG and I couldn't really stop what I was doing to join the chat, but they're doing a water challenge for tomorrow. And, I wanted to get in on it, but couldn't. And I wanted to show them that I was already going to start this challenge. I got this water container, which is 128 ounces, which I believe is way more than a gallon. Let me show you. So I got this jug about a week or two ago. And I'm going to go sanitize it. And I'm going to fill it up with water. And I'm taking it to work with me. See, 128 ounces. And as it says here, I don't know if you can see it, 7 a.m. Good morning. 9 a.m. Hydrate yourself. 11 a.m. Remember your goal. And you keep going all the way to 9 p.m. at night. So I'm going to try my best to drink all of this water. And it has a straw that goes all the way down. So I think I can do it. I also think I have some cucumbers I can put in here. We'll see, but pretty much I'm okay. I'm weird. I'm okay with room temperature water. I really don't like cocoa water, and I would just suck on this until each hour, just put a reminder on my phone. Also, I always do meatless Mondays. I do meatless Mondays a lot. So, I'm trying to decide if I want to do meatless Mondays. My mother never does meatless anything. But she made some stew, so I may not be able to do meatless Mondays because whatever she cooks, when she cooks, I try to eat that instead of having to stop or make something or do whatever. It's just easier on my life. But I wanted to bring that up because I am on a weight loss journey. I've gained a lot of weight. A lot of people tell me they can't tell, but I can feel it. That car, and I think my mom's in the kitchen. I just seen the lights turn on. Yeah, I think she's back there. But I could feel it in my back, my lower back, and these cars and these dogs. Sorry. And my GERD is kicking up a lot more, which is making me cough, which is affecting my asthma, my allergies and stuff like that. So I had already planned on drinking this big old chug-a-jug of water. So that's about it for the day. I don't have much going on. I went and clipped some dead leaves off of some of my plants, like my watermelon, my cucumbers, and put it in my super juice. My super juice was potent, very potent, because it's been a few weeks since I used it, and I went and fertilized everything out there. But the garden's looking good. I still do have one jerk out there. He's liking my corn, so I'm probably gonna have to spray neem oil or something out there to get rid of the jerk. I actually killed one. I was able to kill one and got him out, but he's loving being on my corn, and he's definitely not going to eat my corn. So that is about it. It's actually very relaxing out here today. I pulled a couple of onions and lots of garlic, and I'm letting it dry in the corner out there. But right now it's not really much to do in the garden, but just water, fertilize, and maintain until everything grows. So that's about it for today. As I always say, please find peace within yourself and please be peaceable with each other. I love you all. Have a good evening. Bye.